Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited has issued an update to the National Stock Exchange regarding a notice received for non-compliance with the SEBI listing obligations and disclosure requirements, Regulations 2015. The company shared that the matter has been reviewed by its board and steps are underway to address the compliance requirement. Coal India Limited has informed stock exchanges that its wholly owned subsidiary, CIL Solar PV Limited, has been officially struck off and dissolved following approval from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. National Fertilizers Limited has announced a key leadership change with the appointment of Shri Arvind Kumar as Director Finance on its board, effective May 12, 2026. Arvind Kumar has been appointed for a 5-year term from the date of assuming charge or until further orders, whichever is earlier. The leadership team at CMPDI has been strengthened with the appointment of Anand Mohan as Director Technical. He was formally welcomed by CMD Chaudhary Shivraj Singh on 12 May 2026 at the company's headquarters in Ranchi. In a major step towards clean energy adoption, Indraprasth Gas Limited has inaugurated India's first forecourt area rooftop solar plant at the IFC 5CNG station in New Delhi. The solar plant was inaugurated by Kamal Kishore Chatiwal, Managing Director, along with Mohit Bhatia, Director Commercial. The initiative marks a proud milestone in IGL's journey towards sustainable and greener energy infrastructure. Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited has informed stock exchanges that the Government of India has approved the extension of additional charge of the post of Chairman and Managing Director assigned to Shri A. Robert J. Ravi, who currently serves as CMD of Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. In a significant development for India's aluminium sector, Vivek Kumar Sharma, Director at the Ministry of Mines, visited the MNR complex of National Aluminium Company Limited in Koraput, Odisha, to review the progress of ongoing expansion initiatives. SJVN Limited participated in a high-level meeting held during the study visit of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personnel, Public Grievances, Law and Justice in Dehradun on Tuesday. The meeting focused on governance, administrative reforms, and best practices in personnel and vigilance management within public sector organizations. Shri MNVS Prabhakar has assumed charge as the Chairman and Managing Director CMD of Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, the corporate entity of the Visakhapatnam Steel Plant. A distinguished technocrat and seasoned leader in the steel sector, he brings more than 3 decades of extensive experience across diverse operational and strategic domains of the Indian steel industry. Central Mine Planning and Design Institute has signed an agreement with International Coal Ventures Private Limited to provide consultancy services for the preparation of the detailed project report for the Teet East project in Mozambique. The agreement signed on May 8, 2026 marks a significant step in expanding CMPDI's international consultancy presence.